This is the way basically leading to the forest. So far I think the stock vehicle can still do it, but if you come across potholes like this and areas like this, there's always a little road by the side that you can take. For me, I think, yeah, it should be okay. Yeah, let's go through it. It's just the way to the forest, so it's not there yet. Hi guys, so this is the second day. We're in Wharton State Forest. We entered here. This is where I am right now. I'm trying to make my way to this Batsto village. But all these roads you see, all this, I never knew this is, in New Jersey, you have like 3-4 state forests connected, because yesterday we were like in this area somewhere around here, but you can go to all these state roads and do camp out, and then during the day just have fun on all these roads. Very nice. A huge area. I mean, just because before I used to go to North Main Woods, it's like 7-8 hours away from me, but this is close here in New Jersey. Very nice. It's not rock crawling, it's like really your camping overlanding kind of theme. There are some potholes and deep crossing, but nothing I think a stock Jeep can do, or a stock 4x4 can do. Yeah, we've been having some fun. We camped out at one spot for 2 nights, but just exploring during the day. And you come across these areas where you could have your lunch. Peaceful, nobody bothers. There are some bikers and stuff, ATVs, rarely go by. But yeah, really have some family time, some fun time. Like I said, you could spend days here and still not finish these roads here. Absolutely amazing. Highly recommend. So we went out and wheeled for maybe 4 or 5 hours. Didn't even scratch the surface. There's a huge area that you can go and explore. Like I said previously, it's a stock vehicle friendly trails. There's just so much area to discover. So we came back to the place. This is a picnic area. We're just gonna have lunch here and then hit the road home. But yeah, if you are in tri-state area, I think this is the best for light off-roading, overlanding. It's not, like I said, rock crawling, but it's the best for those who want to do, like, enjoy camping and, you know, overlanding of sorts. The trails are very moderate. They're stock jeep friendly, and it's just so much to explore. So many trails and so much area. They're like 3-4 forests basically connected with each other, and you can just go through, enter through any one and go through them. Just got to pay attention to the signs. But yeah, if you're not doing anything crazy, it shouldn't be a problem. So it kind of reminds me like Maine, although in Maine, of course, it's beautiful, the lakes and everything. You don't have that kind of lakes over here, but the trails are so many of them. So, you know, like I said, every day, 3-4 days, you camp out somewhere, and just during the day you can go out and enjoy for like 6-7 hours. Beautiful trails, wheel, then come back to your camp spot. Beautiful.